Welcome back to another tutorial on how to get a free hosting account for hosting your website for free. So this is actually has limited options for y'all, but of course y'all could switch to a paid and a premium features if y'all like it. So we'll get started. So first of all, you'll have to go to aboutspace.com. Just type over there about. Now you all have two options whether to choose the premium feed service or the free hosting. Of course we came here for the free hosting, so click on free hosting, and now you all have to create an account. Of course you all could use your social accounts such as Facebook or as Google. I am going to currently use my email and log in. Gmail account. Creation of accounts. So I'm going to use my Gmail account itself. And yeah, guys, I use my Gmail account. So you all also could do the same, because I don't know why there's an error with your IP address. That was the response which I get when I used to log in using the email. And now we are on our dashboard. So over here you all could register your domain. So under the domain manager, and of course I have done a video on how to get a new domain, register a new domain for free. So using that you all could get a domain and register it with this hosting account, and thereafter host your website for free. There is FTP manager and stuff like that you would see in a typical hosting dashboard. So thank you guys for watching this video tutorial, and hope to see you in another tutorial. Bye.